Good morning kids. Today again I am here with the third lecture of properties of integers of class 7. Already I have explained you properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now it is the turn of properties of division. Already I told you many of the properties in division are not holding. Many or most of the properties, I can say so. Why it is not holding? That should be clear to you. I also can skip this lecture, but I don't want to skip because why it is not holding here, that must be clear to you so that you can make the things cracks to yourself. Okay. Now first property we have done in all these three aspects, that was closure property. Closure property. Okay. What is a closure property? If a and b are two integers, and when we are dividing that two integers, we will get something. It might be in fraction or might not be. Okay. At that case, you have to generalize that either this property is holding or not. Why? Is somehow it is integer and somehow c does not belong to integer. With example, I am explaining. I have a number 7 and 3. 7 divided by 3. What would be 7 by 3? Is 7 by 3 an integer? No. Understood that it is not an integer. So, in this case, property does not hold. But whenever I am taking 4 and 2, 4 divided by 2, 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 belongs to integer. In this case, property is holding. But we will generalize that a property does not hold. Next property is commutative property. Commutative property. What is our commutative property saying? If a and b are two integers, a divided by b either should be equal or not, we will generalize that. I will not directly write down the answer. Firstly, we will solve with the example. If we will find out the right answer, then we will write down equal or not equal to find. Okay? Example I am taking. 4 and 2 are two integers. A divided by b, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. B divided by a, 2 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2. So what did we generalize? That a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Therefore, this property does not hold. Yeah. It is also not holding. The next property is associative property. Associative property. What is the associative property saying? If a, b, c are three integers, just I am taking 1, 2, 3 are three integers. Again I am saying you can take 0 also, you can take negative also, but why I am taking so easy examples so that you can generalize the things in an easy way. A divided by b divided by c. I am not writing here anything. We will generalize, then we will put the sign. A divided b divided by c. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. 1 by 2 divided by 3. Already we have done in the earlier classes. When it would be changed into multiplication sign, it would be reciprocal. 1 by 6. 1 divided by 2 by 3. Again it would be reciprocal. It would be 3 by 2. Therefore, both the answers are not equal. Therefore, this property again does not hold. Does not hold. Yeah? These are the properties of division. Today, what did we do? We do the different properties of integers under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication, and under division. If you have any kind of problem, you can send message by WhatsApp or on my YouTube channel. Thank you.